Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to schedule a post in WordPress. In this video we will learn that how we can schedule a post according to its time interval and its date. If we have so much post and we want to publish it on its specific time, or we don't have time to publish it, we can schedule each and every post in WordPress. So this is how we can do it. There is a post option. We will go to all posts, and to schedule or to learn, we will create a new post. After clicking on new post, we will give it a title as this is my post, and we will give it a dummy content. And here we can see that we will publish it, and in document we will see that in front of publish there is immediately, which means the post will publish immediately. After clicking on it, we can see there is date, there is a month, there is a time, and this time 6:53 is according to London time. So we should know that what current time is in London at that time. So we will schedule it for 6:59, and we will simply publish it. Okay, we can see that this post has been scheduled, and we can simply see in scheduled here, and in front we can also see that the post is not being published yet because it has been scheduled for 6:59 according to London time interval. So after waiting for some time, we can see that this post has been published automatically, and in front page we can also see that this post has been published here. We can see this post has been published after few minutes, and the post we have created which can edit and also reschedule. So you can reschedule it by going to simply edit and change its date, its time, its month, anything according to us. So this is how we can do it. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.